This book is presented by my grandparents. Carry Me, Daniel and the Lions. Includes 4 jigsaw puzzles. Daniel and the Lions. A perfect first introduction to the story of Daniel and the Lions. Simply told and beautifully illustrated by Gil Gile. The die-cut handle makes a fun carry along. At the same time, in the book includes 4 jigsaw puzzles with 16 pieces each. Retelling based on Daniel 6. Daniel was an Israelite who worked for the king of Babylon. The king liked Daniel very much and made him one of his top advisors. This made the king's other advisors very angry and jealous. So they decided to set a trap for Daniel. The advisors knew Daniel prayed to God 3 times a day. Then they had an evil idea and went to the king and said, "We think there should be a new law. No one can pray to anyone else other than the king." The king liked the plan and made this new law. Now I'm going to show you how to play with this puzzle. Now I'm going to show you few tips how to finish your jigsaw puzzle faster. First, take the 4 corners. Do you know how I took the corner puzzle pieces? The corner puzzle pieces have 2 straight sides. Now I'm going to arrange the corner puzzle pieces first. This piece belongs over here. This piece belongs here. This piece belongs here, and this piece belongs over here. Now I'm going to find the side puzzle pieces. Do you know how I took the side puzzle pieces? The side puzzle pieces have 1 straight side. Now I'm going to arrange the side puzzle pieces. Now I'm going to fix the remaining puzzle pieces. The remaining puzzle pieces have irregular shapes. Successfully, I finished the puzzle faster. But Daniel kept on praying to God. Daniel knew the men were watching him, but he was not afraid. He knew it was more important to pray to God than follow the new law the king had made. Daniel still knelt down and prayed to God every day. The evil men went to the king and told him about Daniel. The king was sad, for he liked Daniel very much, but he also knew everyone must obey the law. So the king sent out his soldiers to arrest Daniel. The same tips to finish the puzzle. The soldiers took Daniel and as a punishment, they threw Daniel into the lion's den filled with hungry lions. During the night, the king could not sleep. He did not drink or eat anything, as he was thinking all the time about the wild lions and poor Daniel. Early in the morning, the king rushed out to the lion's den and called, "Daniel, Daniel, are you there? Are you alive?" "Yes," Daniel said. "God sent an angel and the lions did not harm me." The king was very happy and ordered Daniel to be pulled up from the den. Then he sent out a message so that everyone would know how God had saved Daniel from the lions.